Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the basics fast. Plug the Xbox Series S into a known good outlet and feel the cable connections. A loose lead kills power. Once done, swap to a different outlet and bypass surge protectors to rule out external faults. If you see no white power light, immediately inspect the cable for visible damage and replace it if frayed. Make sure the wall socket supplies power by testing another device, so you know whether the issue is the console or the power source. You perform a forced power cycle to clear stuck firmware states. Press and hold the console power button for 10 seconds until it powers off completely, then unplug the power cable for 10 to 30 seconds to bleed residual charge. Once done, reconnect the cable and press the power button. Listen for the fan and watch the front LED for a startup pulse. If it boots, that cleared the fault. If it blinks or shows no activity, try repeating once more and note any patterns in lights or sounds. You finish with targeted checks. Connect HDMI and ensure the TV is on the correct input so you're not missing a working console. Try another HDMI cable and port and swap the power cable with a known good lead if available. Make sure the controller pairs after the console boots. If buttons do nothing, inspect the power button for physical jam. If none of this works, contact Xbox support and have your serial number, purchase date, and a short description of steps you tried ready. This speeds up repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.